Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and in this video we are going to see how to create navigation drawer with material 3. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm going to create a composable and giving this name navigation drawer. Okay, and within this navigation drawer composable, I'm going to use model navigation drawer. So here we are having drawer content parameters, and this parameter is actually used to pass the content that you want to show onto your navigation drawer. Okay, so let's pass our composable. So in order to make a proper navigation drawer, we're gonna use here model drawer sheet. Okay, so this will ultimately create the sheet that is actually sliding from the left to right. Okay, and within this I'm gonna use a lazy column, and here we are having a repeat function, and I'm gonna take leverage of this function, and within this I'm gonna create an item. Okay, and within this item we are having a simple text which ultimately shows the integer value, and when it's come to its style, I'm going to use material theme typography body large. I'm going to use modifier to provide padding, so padding would be 12 dp. Okay, so this is our lazy column, and this lazy column is ultimately visible to the user when navigation drawer is open. Cool. Now when it's come to main content, so you can pass your main content within this content lambda. Okay, and I'm gonna use a box having a modifier fill max size. Content alignment should be on the center, and within this we are having button. Okay, and this button ultimately shows a text toggle. Okay, what will happen when user click onto this button? Well, we want the toggle behavior. So in order to achieve the toggle behavior, if you look out the parameters of your model navigation drawer, here you see drawer state. So this drawer state is actually used to close and open the navigation drawer. So let's see how we can create a drawer state. So in order to create that drawer state, we're gonna create a variable which is initialized with remember drawer state. Okay, and in place of initial value, if you press control P, you will see we are having drawer value here. So we are gonna use a drawer value closed. So by default I want my navigation drawer should be closed. Okay, and I'm gonna pass this drawer state over here. All right, so now when user click onto this button, I'm gonna toggle the navigation drawer. So how can we do that? So in order to do that, so this drawer state contains a few function, that is a suspend function. So in order to execute suspend function, we require coroutines. So for that I'm going to create a scope here, and now within our on click I'm going to check first if our drawer state is open. Then I'm going to use my scope, launch a coroutine, and within this drawer state, and you can simply close it if it is open, and when it is not the case, we simply hide it. So scope dot launch drawer state dot close, that's it. All right, so now it's time to look out the parameters that we are having in model navigation drawer. So simply press control P here. So here the parameters are very similar, just like we had in model bottom sheets. So we are having a drawer state that we had already passed. We have drawer content, we have screen color. So we will see what is the use case of screen color, and lastly we are having content. So basically if we see here, we are using everything except the screen color. So we will use further in this video and see what is the use case of this screen color. Okay, and when you notice the parameters of model drawer sheet, it is very easy. I mean, you are having drawer shape, you are having drawer container color, you are having drawer content color, tonal elevation, window insert. So it's very easy. You can do research onto these parameters. It's very easy. Okay, so I'm gonna use this navigation drawer, go here and simply paste it and execute my app. So our app is executed successfully when I click this toggle button. Okay, so there is no navigation drawer here. Okay, let's see what we are doing wrong. Okay, so actually here I'm using close for both the cases. So when it is open, we should close it. When it is not the case, we're gonna open our navigation drawer. So this is the very silly mistake from my side. Okay, so now when I click onto this, you can see this is our navigation drawer. Okay, so this window is is basically colored by some default colors. So this color is actually changed with the help of scheme color. So let's see how we can use scheme color now. So within our model navigation drawer we are having scheme color, and this time I'm gonna use a red color. Now when I execute my app, so you will notice the remaining part is colored with color red. So this is scrim color, the use case of scrim color. Alright, so it's very easy to implement navigation drawer in Jetpack Compose. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also write your comments. I mean, what are things you want to learn in Android, so you can tell me and I'm gonna make video onto that topic. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Bye.